Research shows that introverted leaders can be more effective than extroverted ones. In fact, a study by the Journal of Vocational Behavior found that introverted leaders are better at fostering a positive work environment. Leading without being loud is a valuable skill that can help you make a real impact in your work or community. Many people believe that to be a good leader, you need to be outgoing and assertive, but this isn't always the case. In fact, some of the most effective leaders are those who are able to lead through quiet confidence and strategic decision-making. So, how can you develop this skill and become a more effective? One key aspect of leading without being loud is to focus on deep work and deliberate practice. This means setting aside dedicated time to work on important tasks and projects, and eliminating distractions during that time. By doing so, you can make significant progress on your goals and develop a sense of accomplishment and confidence. Additionally, deep work can help you develop a sense of grit, which is essential for overcoming obstacles and achieving success. Another important aspect of leading without being loud is to cultivate strong relationships with your team members. This can be done by actively listening to their concerns and ideas, and providing feedback and support. By building trust and rapport with your team, you can create a positive and productive work environment that fosters collaboration and innovation. Furthermore, strong relationships can help you develop a sense of empathy and understanding, which is critical for effective leading without being loud. Also requires a high degree of self-awareness and emotional intelligence. This means being able to recognize and manage your own emotions, as well as the emotions of those around you. By doing so, you can create a positive and supportive work environment that encourages open communication and feedback. Additionally, self-awareness can help you develop a sense of humility and openness to feedback, which is essential for continuous learning and growth. Finally, leading without being loud requires a willingness to take calculated risks and challenge the status quo. This means being open to new ideas and perspectives, and being willing to experiment and try new approaches. By doing so, you can create a culture of innovation and experimentation that fosters growth and progress. Moreover, taking calculated risks can help you develop a sense of confidence and resilience, which is critical for overcoming obstacles and achieving. In conclusion, leading without being loud is a powerful approach to leadership that can help you make a real impact in your work or community. By focusing on deep work, cultivating strong relationships, developing self-awareness, and taking calculated risks, you can become a more effective and influential leader. Remember, leadership is not just about being loud or assertive, but about creating a positive and supportive environment that fosters growth and progress. So, what can you do today to start developing your skills as a quiet leader? Take a few minutes to reflect on your goals and values, and think about how you can apply the principles of deep work, deliberate practice, and self-awareness to your work or community. Ask yourself, what are some ways that I can lead without being loud, and what impact can I make by doing so? Leading without being loud is a journey that requires patience, dedication, and practice. But the rewards are well worth it. By becoming a more effective and influential leader, you can make a real difference in the lives of those around you, and create a lasting impact that will be remembered for years to come. So, keep working on your skills, stay focused, and remember that leadership is not just about being loud, but about creating a positive and supportive environment that fosters growth and progress.